yes, y'all, and we don't stop.
Whew. Pre-game vibes, baby, pre-game vibes. That beat was from my friend Ultra Music Beats and DJ Pops. Those are my two boys, two DJs. Man, I just can't wait to rage again, guys. I can't wait to go to Las Vegas, be in the crowd with a drink in my hand, looking up at the DJ, feeling the beat, and just letting loose. We need that. We need that in our lives. If you guys never experienced that, go to Las Vegas, XS nightclub, any nightclub in Las Vegas, Encore Beach Club, day party. Go to a place that plays house music and just let the beat take over. It feels so good. With that being said, guys, let's get to the video.
We got some breaking news on Reddit. Let's get to Kate Rooney. Kate.
Hey, Melissa. The social media site Discord has officially banned the server wallstreetbets, a part of Reddit. It's been the forum where most of these traders are talking about GameStop, AMC, and some of the high-flying stocks that we've seen this week.
So what the heck, man? What in the heck has been going on this last week? What in God's glory is going on? So in the stock market, what we're seeing in the last week is something that I've never seen in my long and glorious stock career, which just actually started 2 years ago. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm 6'2", 200 pounds, for Christ's sakes. But you know what? The little man like you and me, we finally have a voice. Now, we might not have a financial degree from Harvard or an economics financier from Yale. Hell, we might not even have a high school diploma. But let me tell you what we do have. It's a 2-syllable word called access. Access. Now the little guy like you and me now have access to market information, stock education, and world communication. Brokerage apps like TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, Webull, Robinhood. God dang it, Robinhood. These apps allow us to have a voice and invest like the big boys. Now, we might not have the funds that these billionaires or these hedge fund managers or these glorified, extraordinary Wall Street institutions have. But we, the lower middle class, the middle class, and upper middle class, have something way more powerful than anything they have. And you know what that is, guys? That's each other. Let me explain. What's up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. My name is Bad Anthony, and on this channel, we talk all things money, wealth, and finance. If you haven't tuned into the channel before, down below, hit the subscribe button, baby, and join the family. With that being said, let's get to the video. So if you guys haven't been on the internet or logged onto your phone in the last 72 hours, you guys haven't missed a thing. Only a bunch of aggressive, ball-busting, meme-making, YOLO, stonk trading, aggressive, Adderall-taking kids shook up Wall Street. So what happened in layman's terms was a bunch of rich a-holes over on Wall Street, you know, that place in New York, betted that GameStop would go down in price. Now they would buy shares, then sell them, only to buy them back at a lower price, then pocket the difference. This would then devalue the company. They would all get together and try to make this happen, which at the end of the day will cause the rich to get even richer. Well, you know what? This crazy group of traders on Reddit called WSB got word of this, and they didn't like it very much. And you know what? They decided to do something about it. I mean, GameStop, bro. We grew up with this place. Average people like you and me decided to come together and short squeeze the heck out of those rich a-holes on Wall Street, which would then drive up the price, causing the Wall Street a-holes to lose money and cause WSB, that crazy group on Reddit, to get rich. So guys, if that was very hard to understand, I totally get it. It was so hard for me to understand too. So I'm gonna break it down in retarded terms because I needed it broken down in retarded terms for myself.
Sour cream and onion chips with some dip, man. Some beef jerky, some peanut butter. Get some Haagen-Dazs ice cream bars, a whole lot of hot. Make sure chocolate, gotta have chocolate, man.
So let's use the ice cream truck guy and the local kids example. The ice cream truck guy has 10 popsicles for $10. The local kids in the neighborhood come to the ice cream guy and ask to borrow some popsicles. Well, these kids don't actually want to just borrow the popsicles, but they want to sell them because they believe that the price is going to drop. Now, the local kids could then give the popsicles back to the ice cream man and then keep the profit for themselves. So what happened was the ice cream man noticed that this was happening and noticed the local kids were being crazy and irresponsible with it. So the ice cream man got together with all his other ice cream buddies and decided to buy up all of the popsicles in the entire market to prevent this. Now this would then drive up the demand and price for the popsicles. This then forced the local kids to buy more popsicles from the ice cream man just to return what they bought in the first place, but at a way higher price. Robin Hood didn't let us sell when we needed to sell. Robin Hood didn't let us buy when we needed to buy. Sorry guys, blacked out there. Sorry. And that's what happened. It was a fight between the retail investor, which is us, and the institutional investor, which is the hedge fund managers. And we kicked their butt. Now, if you guys don't understand it still, don't ask me. Because when I think about it, my brain wraps around it and then unwraps around it. It's very confusing for me as well. Just know that this changed the game forever. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you're not a part of the family yet, hit the subscribe button, baby. It's good karma. And if you guys want to get started with investing, I'll leave a link down below. The brokerage is called Webull. Right now, they're doing a promotion for 4 free stocks if you sign up under my link. With that being said, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.